Hey and welcome. In this video I will show you how you can trade with Donchian channel. With Donchian channel we will also, like the MACD, we will use 200 moving average. So let's add the two indicators we need for this example. You only need to search for DC. Then you can see here, right there, that's the one we're going to use. Donchian channel. And we need moving average and this one. There, then we have everything we need. We then need to make this one to 200. And I think I will change the color as we have a blue Donchian channel from before. So let's change this to yellow. Then I made a little thicker there, just so it's more easy to see. So same rule as with the MACD. If we are above the 200 moving average, that means the candlesticks are above 200 moving average, we only will go for buy trades. And the same if we are below, we only go for sell trades. This strategy is even easier than MACD. So this is the most beginner-friendly strategy that you can start with today. And it's also, like MACD, is a profitable strategy. So let's see if we can find a trade. Let's go a little back in time. So let's take 3. 1, 2, and 3. Okay. So here we have a trade actually. So how this works? This is a trend following strategy. Okay. So we are only going to take trades when it's a trend. We are following the trend basically. So when you see, like here for example, we get a lower low, right? There you can see we had a line and we got one that is lower. That's a short trade. And here, the good thing with Donchian channel is no question of where to put the stop loss or nothing. It's so simple to use. So here, for example, we take this one, we take a short position right here. Stop loss, we put on the top here and 1.5. As you see, this one will never be nothing with because it's too wide right here. You see? When it's super wide like this, then the stop loss become very big. But let's see how this turn out, by the way, for the future. Let's zoom out a little. Let's take this to 1 point. We're going to have it to 1.5. Let's drag it out. Let's drag it out. Okay, so this trade you can see go over 1, 2, 3 days at least. Let's take it more down. We are going to have 1.5. So you can see you need this trade will take a little while, but there we did hit take profit. And like I said, here is no question about where to put stop loss. You always take stop loss in the another side, the top bar if it's a short and the bottom bar if it's a long trade. So you never can put the stop loss wrong. So it's very easy. That's why I told you from the start, this is the most easy strategy to take. So by the way, that's a winner. Here we have one more trade. Let's just remove this one so we see easier. Here is a new one. Let's see. Right about here. Here you can see the line and then we get a lower low there, right? Because if you have a flat line and you get a lower one, that's a trade. So then let's go in with a short position on this one. And like the other one, we set stop loss in the there. don't need to put it above like I did now, just a little, So if touch, because this is more like a support line, right? And a resistance line, I mean. So put a little above. And then we put 1.5 is 1.53, and you see we have a take profit. Then let's see if we can find a losing trade. Right about here, we can see we got one that is a little lower, do you see? So let's take a short position on this one here. Let's move me a little to the side. We put the same way, stop loss above there, about this, and I don't even need to take 1.5 because here you see that's a loss. So also you can see that I'm not only going to show you winners, that there are losers of course also. So now let's take a winner again. So now you can see here we are above the 200 moving average. We got a higher high there, so we take then a long position on this one right there. We take the stop loss right below. So here you can see that we take it below the lowest line, right? And then we are going to take 1.5. Let's move this one out of the way. 1.5, it's around there. It's a winner, as you see. And then we wait a little. You see here nothing happening because we are above. Now we are looking for only buy trades. Here's a good one. Here you see we got a higher high right there. So let's enter with a trade on this one. And we enter on this one. We set then stop loss right below the low line here, right? We go for 1.5 there, and it's a winner. Let's go more. Now we need to wait. Here it happens again. This would be a loser, by the way, I see right away, but we are going to take it. There we got a higher high, we are above. Then we take the trade here, and we put the stop loss right below, and you see we lost. So we got a losing trade. Then we need to have a little patience again, and because we need to wait till we come down, and then we go again here. Because I always, when I have taken a trade, I wait till we go below the middle line, we go down, relax a little, and we go up again. So a new trade would occur here. Let's remove this one. This will be a winner, but let's take it. We have a higher high here. We take a stop loss right below. We go 1.5 up, and it's a winner. Then let's find one more trade. The same I talked about. We can't trade nothing more here. We need to cross the middle line, relax a little. Like you see here, we're relaxing a little. We go below the brown line. We go down, the market relax a little, and we get a higher high here, and that will be a losing trade. So just so you see, this trading strategy right here gives around 57% win rate, but it's so easy to use. You earn 1.5 times the losers, so even with 50% you would make money. Sorry for this barking dog, I have annoying neighbors. So let's go more back to see if we can find one more example. Yes, right here you can see we here crossed, we are above. We take a trade right on this one here. We take a stop loss right below the low line here, and we go 1.5 up, and as you see, it's a winner. So that's basically how you can trade Donchian channel together with moving average 200. It's a very beginner friendly, easy strategy. You never need to think about where to put the stop loss because you already have a set stop loss and set take profit. So it's no way you can do this wrong. So this is the most easy way to trade Forex and start today. So with that, have a perfect day.